In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage team members in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can bring the right people into your workspace with confidence. We'll begin inside your Monday.com workspace on the trial management board. This is the hub where your team tracks work, so it's the ideal place to control who has access. If you're already looking at the trial management board, you're in the right spot. Take a moment to make sure it's the correct board for your project or team. Inviting people to the right board helps you keep information secure and organized. Next, look toward the top of the board for the invite button. It typically sits in the upper right area of the screen alongside other board controls. Go ahead and click Invite. This opens the panel that centralizes access to adding and managing team members for this board. Think of it as your doorway to collaborating. This is where you bring colleagues in so they can view, contribute, or help manage the work. When the invite panel appears, you'll notice options designed to fit different collaboration needs. Monday.com generally distinguishes between full members who can actively work on items, guests who might only need access to specific boards, and viewers who only need to see what's going on. Before you proceed, consider what each person actually needs to do. Matching the right access level to the right person keeps your workflows tidy and your data safe. A few practical tips can make this smoother. Make sure you have permission to invite people to this board. If the invite button doesn't appear, your account may not have the necessary rights, and you'll want to check with an admin. Keep your list of invitees focused on those who truly need access, which helps with both security and clarity. If your organization uses Teams to group people, be consistent with how you bring them in, so everyone gets the appropriate access in one go, and let teammates know an invite is on the way. Notifications are sent immediately, but every so often they can land in spam. After sending invites from this panel, you'll typically see profile images or initials appear in the board header as people gain access. That's a quick visual confirmation that your team is connected. Over time, you can return to the same area to review who's on the board and adjust access as your project evolves, keeping your workspace clean, compliant, and efficient. That's it. Navigate to your trial management board, click Invite, and you're set to add and manage your team with clarity and control.